Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Angel. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the nose. Let's draw a curve across near the top here. And then another curve underneath and back up. Now inside, let's draw a curve on each bottom corner for the nostrils. And then one more curve on top of the nose. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve up and over on an angle like this. And another large curve underneath and up. Now let's hop in and let's draw a circle. And then on the top corners, let's curve it out and back in for the eyelashes. And color them in black. And now let's also color both of the eyes in black as well. Next, let's hop in next to the nose and let's draw a large curve up and then bring it down. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's continue it down under the eyelashes and then a curve underneath. Now inside at the top, let's draw another line to thicken it up like this. And that's it for the eyes. Now we're going to hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a curve up and down on top of each eye. And then a curve across on top in the center. Now let's hop down from the sides and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop back inside and let's draw the mouth, starting with the small line down under the nose, and then curve it out and up on both sides. And then add a small curve at the ends. And then hop underneath and let's add one more curve across in the center. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the ears. Let's start on the sides next to the eyes and let's draw a long curve up. And then curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop in and from the top, let's draw a wavy line down. And then at the bottom, one more curve up like this. And then let's add a curve inside the top of each ear. Next, we're going to draw the antenna coming out from the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And the same on the right side. Then add another curve in the same way underneath. Now let's continue both of the curves under the ear by bringing it down and curving it out. And then close it off at the ends with a curve. Then inside, let's add 2 more curves at the end. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath on both sides and let's draw a curve down for the tops of the arms. Then let's hop in and let's draw a curve down and out for the sides of the body. Now on the sides, let's continue drawing the arms. Let's start on the sides and let's draw another small angle out. And then 2 curves out on both sides. Now for the hands, let's start from the bottom and let's draw a curve out and up for the thumbs. And for the next finger, let's curve it out and back in. Now let's add another curve on top. And then 1 more finger to close off each hand. Now inside each finger, let's draw a curve at the bottom for the fingernails. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in and let's finish drawing the body. Let's start from the sides that we drew earlier and let's curve it out and back in. Then let's hop to the center and draw a long curve across. Now inside, let's add the belly patch. On the top, let's draw a curve down and up on both sides. Then let's curve it in and back out like this. And a curve across the bottom. Now top in at the top and let's draw a curve down and up on both sides. And then 1 more V-shaped point in between. Now underneath, let's draw another curve down and up. And 1 more in the center. Now top to the bottom and let's draw the feet. Let's start on the outside and let's draw a curve out and back in. Then a curve next to it. Leave a small gap and let's draw another one. And then 1 more going outwards. And then a curve on top. Now to close off the feet, in between the 2 middle toes, let's draw 1 curve across. And then lastly, let's add a curve inside each toe for the toenails. And that's it for Angel. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!